Hello again. Tomorrow will be 11th of September. I find this video and we'll go in this video frame by frame. You can search also for the video by yourself and watch it by yourself, okay? So we'll go frame by frame. Allora, first of all, I want you to notice that the sky is blue, but here is like a V shape, white. Okay, this is the bridge of Genoa in 20th of August, and you will see that the bridge is still intact, and then will came out the strike, so to speak. So we'll go frame by frame. Now here will start to be seen something. I want you to watch. Here will be the strike. The bridge is intact, okay? And we'll see a bit later, okay? Okay, now I stopped a bit here, and I want you to observe that here there is a rectangle, like very, very shiny and white, so bright that will make, photons, and will imprint on the sky an image. This image, okay, is like a rainbow here. Rays of light get out from this rainbow. Green, do you see these green lights? Okay, and the image that is reflected is like a cube. Okay, hope that you see, with something upon 2 and 2, and with something like very shiny in the middle. Okay, this is only a reflection. His roundabout is like a rainbow, very round. Okay, but the object. Sorry for my dog. He heard, I don't know, my neighbors and start to bark. Sorry, very sorry. So the object is here. What we see here is only a reflection because of the brightness that is formed. Okay? Do you remember the Ark of the Covenant? No. Okay, so go away. Now I am forward. Strike. Do you see now the rainbow light? Okay, Now because it was only a reflection, okay, there is nothing there. It's only a reflection of something that is right here above. So now we'll continue to go frame by frame, little by little, okay? And I want you to observe there is movement here, okay? Oops. Do you see the white, shiny, like cubic something there? You see the colors like rainbow and something round about like rainbow colors with something that is moving in like that there. Now the same thing, there is something there, and this shiny thing round about start to have something like corners, okay? Okay. Rainbow crystal colors. Do you see the angles? Yeah? No? I don't know. Maybe it's only me that I'm seeing something this. And there is something in this part that's moving. Let's go forward. Okay, so this is the video, and here is without stopping the video, ralenti. There is the image formed, but the object is here, okay? Strike and up, going up. You see, it's impossible to put even if you pixel the image, okay, in there. So yeah, still here, and this, the thing that was round about, now we see here round about, and the object is inside there. Yeah. Now you can just think whatever you want, but for me was the Ark of the Covenant scene. Yeah. So yeah, let me know what you think about, and till my next video, bye bye.